We are here at Micki Arena on the campus of Purdue University, where the Edinboro Fighting Scots women's basketball team will play in an exhibition game against number 17 Purdue on Sunday. What are some of the things that you're hoping that the team can take from this experience playing against a very strong Division I team?
Well, basically, we just need to focus on pressing and our defense and whatnot, and just see where we go from there. But basically, our press, we need to tweak that a little bit more and, perfect it.
I think that this is gonna be a great game for us because this is the best of the best, and if we can compete with this, we'll be able to do just about anything in the PSAC.
Do you think that you already learned some things playing St. Bonaventure, and hopefully we'll learn some things tomorrow here at Sunday afternoon that you can take into PSAC and it's going to make you a better team against conference foes?
I think yesterday we proved that we were capable of hanging with a Division I school, and it was very physical, and we're going to have to learn to play physical without fouling, which you saw last night. But I think if we're capable of doing that here, then we're going to be capable of doing that in our season.
Like she said, it definitely boosted our confidence, and we proved ourselves that we can keep up with a D1 school, and basically we just need to transfer that into PSAC.
Here at Micki Arena on the campus of Purdue University, where the Edinboro Fighting Scots women's basketball team will play an exhibition game against the number 17 Purdue Boilermakers on Sunday afternoon. What are some of the things that you hope that your team can learn from this experience playing against Purdue?
Well, I think it's just, for us, it's an honor, and it's exciting and enthusiastic for us just to be here and be able to play with Purdue. What we want to mainly accomplish is play tougher competition. When you play tougher competition, you find out your strengths and your weaknesses, and that's what we want to get accomplished in playing somebody of their caliber.
You talked about the awe factor. When you get into playoffs, hopefully, and in the big games in conference later on this season, that maybe the girls aren't going to be awed by the teams that they play there after these types of experiences? Right.
I think, with IUP in California having new arenas, us playing here in Northern Kentucky tournament, that when we go into an arena, they're not going to be overwhelmed by that, and it's just a great experience for them also.
And for you yourself, being an alum of Purdue, what's it like kind of returning home for you here?
Oh, this is a dream come true. It's spectacular. I've always bled gold and black, and I've been so loyal to Purdue, and this is just a tremendous situation for me, and it's a thrill.